In this video, I am going to explain you about the third orientation, that which it is about to be said, line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. As in the previous second case, what we have seen that it was the line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, but it is just opposite to that of the one which you are about to consider. The line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So here, as earlier I have said you that first of all we need to draw the true length of the line. So from whichever the view it is visible, so first we go ahead with preference to that view only. So right now from the front view, if you are about to see, it is about to be appeared in the form of like dot presentation. It is a dot, so where it is being projected on the vertical plane. So this is not the first thing that what we need to draw. First of all, we need to draw the true length of the line from where it is about to be visible. So it is for us possible to do it from only when seen from the top view, but when we see it from the front view, only a dot presentation is about to be represented. So first, when seeing from the top view, a line of 75 mm length is being projected on the horizontal plane, so which is we are about to be drawing it here. So marking these points as B and A, which is about to be drawn on the horizontal plane at a distance of 20 mm from the XY line. Similarly, at a height of 50 mm, we are about to get the point as like dot. We get the line as in the form of like dot presentation. So where the point A dash is visible, B dash is not visible. So these projections are to be drawn in the two-dimensional form. So first, let me go ahead for drawing the XY line. This is my XY line. This is my vertical plane above the XY line and horizontal plane below the XY line. Now, draw the locus line. So on the vertical plane it is above HP. So which is at a height of 50. So draw the locus line. So draw the locus line at a height of 50 and draw the locus line at a distance of 20 from the XY line. So marking these dimensions as this is 50 and this is 20. So first we are all about to be draw the true length. So first locating my point here, seeing that the true length only can be seen when seen from the top view. So the top view projections are carried on the horizontal plane. So first drawing it from the horizontal plane, marking my point here as B, and from B drawing a line of 75 mm length. This is what I'm marking it as A. So carry out the projections into the front view with a small thin line where it touches the line at a height of 50 mm, marking the point as A dash, B dash in the bracket. Once again I'll mark it, marking the point here as A dash and in the bracket mark it as B dash. So this is what all about the point explained about the projection of a line explained in the third orientation. So this is about the line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP.